How to fix apps are slow to download on your iPhone. So if you're trying to download a new app and it's taking forever to download, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve the issue. So the first thing you can do is come over to the app you're trying to download. You could then click on the app like this. Once you've paused the app from downloading, click on it again. And when it resumes downloading, you can check to see if it speeds up the download. Now, if it's not working, open up the settings on your phone. You'll then need to scroll down to Wi-Fi and click on this. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, click on the information button next to it. Make sure low data mode is turned off and disabled. Now come back over to the main settings page. Click on battery. You can then scroll down to power mode and make sure low power mode is turned off and disabled. Now come back over to the main settings page. Scroll down and click on general. Now scroll down again to VPN and device management and make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. So as you can see, it should say not connected like this. Now once you've done this, you can try resuming your download and you can check to see if it's now working. Now if it's still slow to download, open back up your settings, scroll down to general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and then just press reset network settings. You'll then need to enter your iPhone's passcode, and once you've done this, your app downloads should now be much faster.